Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, March 5th, 2024. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Alrighty then, so we saw yesterday, we were expecting the market to continue in this rally mode following the Friday's momentum to the upside, but it actually just met Friday's high and it quickly retraced to the downside. We are today doing the same. So let's see if the market will continue to push lower and find some support around our moving average, which acts as a dynamic support line. So let's see if that will be the case. The same token goes for the S&P 500. Let's see if we come towards the moving average and find some support. The Dow, however, has already traded below the moving average, so it's showing more strength over to the downside. So there was a small gap, it opened a small gap down, it has been closed. So let's see if 38,800 will be the target. The crude oil, actually yesterday, which opened with a gap up, it did fluctuate towards the 80 and change value, but it quickly retreated and closed to the downside. Today is trading below the moving average, but now it's kind of looking to recover itself. Let's see if 78 can be that dynamic or that psychological support for it. Okay, round number. So for now, I will wait and see if the market actually trades above our moving average, and if it does so, will that be enough for it to take it back up to 79 and more. Then we have Nat Gas that yesterday had a strong fluctuation to the upside, but it quickly retraced, and it did close in the green. Today we are basically smack right in at the middle of yesterday's session. So this sometimes can be a positive sign where we can probably come in and find those buyers and take the market back up at least to yesterday's high. Gold, however, is a bit different, a different story. It has been making parabolic movements. Today, it was no different, but it quickly retraced and is trading right above 2120. Let's see if that value, 2120, is strong enough for it to sustain this sell-off or this pullback and find support buyers and make another attempt at 2160. Then we have silver. Also, silver did have more of a volatility movement today. It did fluctuate way below at 2360. It found support, found buyers, and brought it back up into the green. So let's see if it's looking to just idle around $24, or will $24 be that psychological resistance. Then we have copper that it has again just doing sideways movements, even though yesterday it did fluctuate up to the upside, almost hitting our target, but it quickly retraced and closed in the red, but it is above the moving average, so that moving average can act as a dynamic support. Then we have Bitcoin. 70,000 is the target for today, so being bullish. The currencies, 108 is what the pound, the euro is looking to stay north of. Let's see if it will do it. It will sustain itself, and the pound is looking to stay or come towards the 127 handle. Let's see if it does that. And the dollar index, will the dollar index recover, or will it receive more pressure, or will it just continues to stay here and idle, just choppy sideways movements, consolidation? Let's see what will happen with the dollar index. And that's it for me today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.